How to fix keyboard issue on iOS 18.3 step by step. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard issues after the latest iOS 18.3 update. So let's get started. First, try restarting your iPhone. Many software glitches are resolved simply by rebooting the device, just like on a computer. If the issue persists, let's move on to the next fixes. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then select Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboards at the top. One common cause of keyboard problems is a third-party keyboard. If you have any custom keyboards added, try removing them. To do this, tap Edit in the top right corner. Find the keyboard you want to remove, tap the red minus icon, and delete it. Once deleted, restart your iPhone and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, there's one more step you can try. Go back to General and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This will reset all keyboard settings without deleting any personal data. Enter your passcode to confirm, and your keyboard settings will be restored to default. These solutions should help fix your keyboard issues. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.